search for information about any word on a website. Another of the less known options of Google Chrome, perhaps because it is quite hidden, but very useful, is the ability to perform quick searches on a specific word or phrase. Just long press on the text in question, and in the menu that appears, access the advanced options through the three dots icon, to choose one of the three available options: search on the web, translate or search in Wikipedia. Save web pages as PDF documents. Although Chrome includes its own option with which to download web pages to access them offline, there are times when you want to save a real copy of a page, which you can share with others or simply send to other devices. To do this, simply export the page in question as a PDF file. It is simple. You will have to access the page in question, and from the options menu click on Share. Once inside, choose the Print option, but instead of sending the file to a printer, select the Save as PDF option. A detail to bear in mind is that not all web pages are optimized to be saved as PDF files. History. Zoom in on pages with force zoom. Although smartphones compete with each other to see which one has the biggest screen, the years are unforgiving and sometimes your eyesight can't read correctly what that giant screen is displaying. Or, simply put, your smartphone is smaller than it should be. To solve this problem, you can magnify what's on the screen. And in Google Chrome for Android, you can magnify the content of a web page. However, not all pages allow you to do this, so you'll have to force it. From the More menu in the top right corner, we go to Settings Accessibility. Next to text fitting you can change the text size. And to force all pages to allow this enlargement, check the Force Zoom option.